Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here to review some products from the brand Commleaf, and I already reviewed two of their products, their Rose Moisture Pad and their Rose Sleepy Mask, and now I am here to review the rest of the collection. So let's start! Instead of simply reviewing the products, I want also to share with you how I use them and also what are the must-haves in the collection. The first product that I want to mention is actually the last from the Rose Skincare line, and it is this one, the Rose Blooming Mist. As the other products, the rose inside is coming from France, and this is a mist that you can apply before and after makeup. This is supposed to hydrate your skin but also make it really glowy and without that sticky finish. I personally like using it after my makeup. Before my makeup, I tend to use, if I want something, a primer or a setting spray. And I really like it because the mist also is really fine. I don't know if you can see it on camera now, but I will apply it, and this is so refreshing. I really like it, and the scent is really nice. It's not too strong, but it's a really natural rose scent, so yeah, I really like it. I think it's a good mist. Now what I am really excited to talk about are this one. These are their Hhh Peeling Liquid. So both are actually the same thing, instead that this one comes in a set and this one comes individually, and also the properties of both are different. So in this set you actually get a peeling liquid and 4 compressed masks, and I will show you how it works. So this is how the set looks like, and actually the little capsules that you can see are compressed masks. So I will show you what it is exactly and how you can use it. So first I open the compressed mask and also I put the liquid inside. As you can see, the mask is expanding really quickly, so I am going to wait a little bit and then I am going to unroll it and put it on my face. I am placing it correctly, and here is your final DIY mask. Leave it on for maximum 3 minutes and then you can pat on the rest on your face. As you can see, my skin is so glowy and really bouncy. I really love the result, and I think this is an amazing quick exfoliating mask. So the common ingredient of those two peeling liquids is actually AHA, that is an exfoliator, and those two products are actually paraben-free, alcohol-free and sulfate-free. So I want to talk a little bit about AHA. So AHA is really good if you suffer from acne, if you have some hyperpigmentation, if you have some skin texture. This is a really powerful exfoliant, and I really love using it personally. I think that if you use it the right way, you can really improve your skin condition. Personally, AHA became a staple in my skincare routine. I use it at least once a week to exfoliate my skin. I do not use any physical exfoliant because this is just simply damaging your skin barrier, and AHA, if you use it the right way, is actually not damaging your skin barrier but completely the contrary. It's actually helping it to be healthy. So as you can see, I use quite a bit of those two and I try them, and I will tell you what I love about those two products. Actually, I checked both composition and I will tell you what I really like. First, the AHA green tea one, there is Centella asiatica inside. Centella asiatica is one of my favorite ingredients because it has amazing healing properties, but also it boosts collagen production. That means more hydration and better skin elasticity, so what else? So this is amazing that this product has it, and also the second ingredient is actually the main one, green tea. Green tea is an amazing antioxidant, and also it has really strong properties to fight against inflammation. So I think this is a really good exfoliant if you are suffering from acne, because this will really help to heal your acne without also damaging your skin and without aggravating your acne state. Another point is that green tea is really good to reduce sebum, so the oil production. So honestly, if you have an oily skin and also if you are suffering from acne, I highly recommend it, but also for normal skin like mine or sensitive skin, this is really okay. The next product is actually the honey and propolis one, and I think I don't have to tell you that this is so far my favorite because I love propolis. This is my beloved ingredient. I talked many times about it on my channel. So just a quick reminder on the main ingredient. Honey is a really good antibacterial, so this is really good also if you have acne, and also it is an amazing antioxidant, and this is highly moisturizing. Also, honey contains amino acids, and amino acids are naturally present in our skin, and this is what permits your skin to stay hydrated. So this is a really good ingredient because it permits your skin to stay really hydrated. And then my beloved ingredient, Propolis, is really brightening. It helps with acne fighting, inflammatory redness, but also it is good to boost collagen production. So this is honestly overall an amazing ingredient, and I'm really happy that this product has it. So overall, I am really happy with everything that I tried. There is nothing else to say. This is my honest opinion. I really love this brand. This is amazing. I love how much effort they put in their composition, because their composition are always really amazing, sickening. There is nothing else to say, so I really like that fact. Out of all the products, if I have to choose one, I will choose the peeling liquids. I really like how they are performing, but also that you can do some DIY mask with them, or that you can just use it as a simple toner. I honestly really like them, and I love AHA, so this will be my new best friends. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please, if you did, give it a thumbs up, and also do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more K-beauty reviews. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys!